Hey, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why my camera cut on me, but it did. So yeah, you just unboxed the cable from this side. I was looking at it from here, I was looking at it from back here and front here, but no. So let's kind of get that out of the way there. We'll tell you what's in the little baddie a little bit later on, but right now you kind of want to get into the headset. Wow, the cord on this is like those braided cords. It's not like those standard rubbery cords that you usually see on most headsets. This one is braided. It has like this weird little design on the outside. Here you can see it a little bit better on this one. Which I don't really care too for on the design that they did. Seems like there'd be a lot of dust and dirt collection that would be kind of hard to get out. Maybe if you had like a can of compressed air, you could get it out, but yeah. It's got some weird piece for the top here. I mean, kind of stupid how they did it. I mean, the piece right here that you see in blue that actually goes to your head, that's just sitting on hard plastic. This black here that says their name, DREAMGEAR, soft foam. Like, what the heck is that? Because, I mean, if we look at the other one, the Tryon, it's got some soft, like, foam on the top, but then it also got soft foam right there on the inside that's going to sit on the user's head. This one, hard plastic that's sitting on the user's head, but nice soft foam that's not even touching your head. I mean, that is just ridiculous. I like how it is clearly marked with the left and right in there. This does feel a bit stiff on adjusting the mic, so the mic can go up, down, and then of course you could bend the mic to how close you want to do it. So then, you know, if you like those people on like Call of Duty, or maybe, actually I haven't really heard too much on Battlefield. Because Battlefield, you really don't need a mic on the Battlefield games because you just use your controller. I don't know about keyboard because, you know, I don't play PC, but, you know, for a console controller, you just use your controller and it's like, hey, CO, our commanding officer, where are we going? What flavor are we taking? Are we taking Freddy? Are we taking apples? What about butter? You know? Unlike with, you know, how Call of Duty is like, hey, my stupid team, this is domination. Come on, let's move up, let's cap a flag, let's hold a flag, because the enemy team, you wonder why you're dying? Maybe you should stop spinning around. Or say, wow, I got an SMG. That's, you know, a pretty good running gun. But I'm just going to be sitting back in spawn, spinning around, jumping up and down, shooting my bullets all around, and oh no, my team is horrible because we died. No, you're horrible because you're playing an objective-based game and you're not playing the objectives. You're not defending, you're not attacking, you're just literally spinning around, jumping up and down, shooting your gun all around, back in spawn. And then you have the other people that they just don't know how to control their mic volumes. Like, I mean, if you have an adjustable mic that, you know, you could push inward to your mouth, pull it outward. Do that, because I hear these up here, they're like, well, they call it the wind tunnel effect, but to me it sounds like they're Darth Vader. Now, you know, I'm not trying to make fun of people that has like asthma and stuff, but I'm saying, you know, there's a thing called take the mic out of your mouth. Like, literally, these people, I don't know if they're, I don't think they had the mic too close to their mouth. It's like they're taking their mic and sticking it up their nose. I mean, that's kind of gross, but yeah, it sounds like they're actually got like a headset like this, and then just taking this mic and just jamming it right up their nose and going to like annoy people or something. And it's like, dude, take your mic out of your nose, put it on your head, move it away from your mouth because you don't eat your mic like a Big Mac or a Whopper, or some Doritos, you know, you eat your chips, you eat your burgers, those go in your mouth, your mic stays out of your mouth, you do not eat your mic, okay? And it's like, you're not Darth Vader, you're not in a wind tunnel, you should know what to do. It's kind of like, you know how YouTubers, like, when they buy like professional mics, like Yetis and stuff, where you can hear them, but you don't hear like every freaking 2 seconds. It's like, Lou, how do I sound? I bet Lou would be like, yo, Vader, take the mic away from your mouth. You got that wind tunnel effect. A lot of people, nowadays, it's not just wind tunnel, it's more of the, up my nose. It's like, are you trying to blow up a balloon with your nose? Seriously, people do not know how to use mics on PlayStation, especially on Call of Duty. I hate to say about the PS4 and Call of Duty community, but, you know, it's true. I mean, like, YouTubers, when you see them, like, doing YouTube things, like, let's play on PC and stuff, they have a headset like this, they have the mic, you can hear what they're saying, but you don't hear that or you can actually hear, like, okay, I hear what you're saying. Like, right up there, there's going to be a sniper, there's a collectible over there, you want to do this, you know, like that, okay? So, yeah. Now, it is nice that they kind of did the whole blue and black PlayStation theme, which, you know, obviously goes with this one, for the theme-wise, but, here's this, and it does have a little clip on there, so you can clip it onto your shirt. Volume control, nice and easy little scroll wheel. Push up and down for the on and off on the mic stuff. So let's get into the little baggie here and see what all the little stuff is. So we do get a little cable extension here, not that much, and there's actually no mention on the box about a cable extension. Yeah, this is not even mentioned on the box, but you do obviously see that you get this in the box, which I guess is pretty cool, because you know, you can have the little cable extension put into your controller, and then if you want to go swap over to like a PC or to your phone or something, just, or iPad, iPod, just, you know, pop it off, use it that way while this is still attached to your controller. I mean, that is pretty neat, or ideal. But let's see what their user guide says here. Because they said something about user guide for the, you know, Xbox 360. Yeah, just pretty much put it in. Duh. So, PS4 controller. Obviously, you know, you're just going to take it, if I could grab it, and just, boop, put it in. Now it does still a little bit, as you can see there, but it's all the way in. So there's that. Let's see about this little micro one. Actually, I am mistaken about this little mini cable. This little mini cable does not actually plug in here. And look. So, I am very confused on what this little mini micro cable goes to. Maybe it does go to a Xbox 360. But I mean, usually nowadays they're just using the standard cable, because I mean this one is a bit small on this end. So, yeah, I have no idea. So if you have an Xbox 360, maybe this works for you. But nowadays, you know, you can put it into like anything. Like, here's the little speaker, which was supposed to replace the whole headset thing. Actually, no, I can't put this in here because that is the headset. Here's the Xbox One with the chat key. Because if you notice on here, that's saying just get the weather one. That I do believe that it does come with the weather headset in the box. Then you know you have something for your controller, volume, your mic mute button, something about player invite. And as you can see on this one that I have, kind of the same thing that it plugs into control, but I have a keyboard which doesn't work too good on 7 Days to Die, but on the art survival game, it's definitely a must to have a keyboard. So if you're playing art on, you know, Xbox One or PS4, definitely pick up one of these controller keyboards. Because, you know, on PC you already got the keyboard there. So yeah, it just plugs in on this. Now, without this piece on there, this would never plug in because of how stupid Xbox is for Microsoft, that they have their own little design that only works with their own headsets. But if you want to use any other headsets, you gotta buy like that little adapter right there, or you have to use these type of extra controller adapters just to put your freaking mic in there to use, like, you know, any other mic, like a Turtle Beach, for example. Yeah. So let me get my phone here. Let's see if I could get some music playing. Well, not music, but, you know, my own YouTube channel. So YouTube doesn't say, hey, copyright strike. Hey, it's my own freaking channel that we're watching here. So you know where YouTube can sit their copyright strike on my own channel. So let me see here. Then go to my channel. Give it a second or two. Well, I don't know why the video got